This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Scale property. The scale property changes the size of a sprite. Scale of 1 is normal. Yeah, so like scale of 1 is like 100%. Scale of 2 is twice as big. And scale of 0.5 is half as big. Do this. Use the scale property to make it look like the picture. Oh, here's our picture. Oh yeah, the cow. Oh, blocking everything. Make sure each animal is as big as it should be. Make sure the fish fits in the pond. Okay, well, we can't even see the fish or the pond. All right, so let's go look. Here's our fish variable. We set the animation for the fish. The scale of our fish is 1. Our cow is 1, which is too big. Now, remember they said 1 is 100%. So what if we cut that size down to, I don't know, 0.6? 60%. Let's look at their picture. That's looking pretty good. I wonder if they did 50%. And then for the elephant looks larger, so maybe the elephant's 0.6. And when I say 0.6, think of it as like 60%. So it looks like the elephant's even bigger, so maybe 0.7, and maybe the fish is 0.8. Right now it's 1, and so I'm going to change the scale to 0.8. Nope, fish is a heck of a lot smaller than that. So 0.3. Whoop, now I miniaturize the fish. Okay, I think theirs is, I'm a perfectionist, I guess. And now their fly is also a lot smaller. What if I put the fly at 0.5? That's looking about right, although I can't see the elephant's toenails and ear. Maybe it's 0.75. Ta-da! So just remember, scale is another property, and it is a property that we can adjust using 0 point something, or 1, which is 100%. Also, by the way, if you want to go huge, 1.5 would be 150%. Or 2 would be 200%, like they said. But I'm going to put it how they want it. But, awesome. Onward.